To the Reiner Report now. If the Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade, California plans to become a sanctuary state, which means that they could potentially pay for women to travel from out of state here to California.
The Future of Abortion Council that Governor Gavin Newsom created includes state lawmakers and pro-choice organizations. They gave it a list of recommendations today.
And political reporter Morgan Reiner has both sides of the debate.
26 states are predicted to reverse their abortion bans if the Supreme Court hands the decision-making process back down to the states.
We think that everyone should be able to access the care they need and make their own decisions about their family's future.
Kristen Ford is with the National Abortion Rights Action League, which is part of Governor Newsom's Future of Abortion Council.
Over half of the country could lose access to legal abortion virtually overnight. And that will have just dramatic ramifications for people all across the country trying to make their own decisions.
And that's when California would step up with these 45 recommendations. One of them asks the state to reimburse service providers when a patient can't afford to pay, even if they're from out of state.
To encourage people to come to California to have abortions, I don't think that's going to be a big hit with taxpayers.
Jonathan Keller is the president of the California Family Council. He wants Roe v. Wade to be overturned.
And it's going to be the beginning of continuing to offer support. That means pregnancy resource centers, expanding their services and their offerings. That means possibly new mother and child care policies.
Which would also cost taxpayers. But Dr. Daniel Grossman said banning abortions is not going to make it go away. People will just find ways to do it that are not legal and not always the safest option. He is a professor of obstetrics, gynecology, and reproductive sciences and sits on the governor's council.
This can be life-saving medical care, and I think we have a responsibility to provide that.
And Dr. Grossman says when Texas banned abortion after 6 weeks, he's already started seeing an increase in people traveling to California.